at this, you can see how the movement of the servo is happening. You can see the servo is connected with the shaft with the leg. When it moves, it goes up and down in a motion so that the whole thing goes forward, as well as the whole thing will go backward. It is sequence. Okay, so this robot has a camera over here. This has a 3 megapixel camera, and this robot is powered by a Raspberry Pi inside. You can see there is a Raspberry Pi inside. In the back of the robot, you can see there is a number showing this is the voltage of the battery of the robot. Okay, so one of the features of this robot it has a LiDAR as well as a camera, as I showed you before. This camera can sense the type of color and also track the color. So if we see over here, there is an option of target tracking. If we click on it, it will show which color to select. If we select R, if we select start first, then we select R, so it will only follow the red. If we actually move the green box towards it, it will not follow. But if we take a red box towards it, it will try to follow it. As here, as you can see, whenever I am tilting, it is also tilting with it. Okay, again I'll select the blue color over here. If we click on start and then we select on blue, it will now follow the blue color. Similarly, if we click on the green color, it will actually look for green, but there is no green. Now if we put the green block in front of it, it will now look at the green block. One more thing about this robot is that this has a LiDAR, as I mentioned before. LiDAR stands for light version of radar. The radar uses sonic waves, but this one uses light. Now, we come to the phone. It is a mode called the LiDAR mode. If we click on it, it will avoid all the obstacles that is in front of it. Select on airport. See, it is now automatically moving and avoiding the obstacles. Detection distance, it is now done at 0.5. We can reduce it so that it will actually change how much force it gets towards the obstacle.
Trending করছে আমাদের রোবট now it's going to charge and we're fighting ready. শুরু করছি।
Each of the so 6 degree of freedom in each arm, and then so both arms are 1 degree of freedom and one is 30 degrees of freedom. As you can see, the motion of this is very smooth, and these are the some indicating switching on and off indicating situations, as well as individual movements in each and every joint, as you can see. So all this servo motors inside, and then
degrees of freedom. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6.
দিকে সামনেতে দিক, সামনে থেকে ওটাকে একবার ইয়ে করে আটকানোর চেষ্টা কর, আটকানোর চেষ্টা কর। তারপর এটা কিছু রাখ, না 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 না
over here.